Is your radiant heating system struggling to keep up during the colder months? A faulty or aging boiler can lead to uneven heating, higher energy bills, and even safety concerns. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we specialize in providing efficient, high-quality boiler radiant replacement services that restore comfort and peace of mind to your home. Our experienced team ensures a seamless replacement process, from removing outdated equipment to installing a modern, energy-efficient boiler. This not only enhances the performance of your radiant heating system but also reduces energy consumption, saving you money in the long run. Radiant heating systems are designed to provide consistent warmth by circulating heated water through pipes beneath your floors. With a properly functioning boiler, you can enjoy even, reliable heat without the dryness caused by traditional forced air systems. Call us today. What are the benefits of replacing my boiler radiant heating system? Replacing your system can enhance energy efficiency, lower utility costs, improve heating performance, and increase home comfort. Modern boilers are designed to be more eco-friendly and can provide better heat distribution, ensuring every room in your home stays warm during cold months. How do I know if my boiler radiant heating system needs replacement? Common signs include inconsistent heating, rising energy bills, frequent breakdowns, unusual noises, or leaks in the system. If your boiler is over 15 to 20 years old or requires constant repairs, it may be time for a replacement. Can I upgrade my current system to a more efficient boiler? Yes, upgrading to a high-efficiency boiler can significantly improve your system's performance and reduce energy consumption. Many homeowners in Los Gatos choose to replace older, inefficient boilers with advanced models that offer superior energy savings and reliability. Where is Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 325 Socal Avenue B17, Santa Cruz, California 95062. Our phone number is 831-610-0427. Visit our website, www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/socal-santa-cruz-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/.